Good morning and welcome to today. Hope you're having a great day. Hope everything's going well for you. Hope that you're having a good day. Today, one of the things I thought we might want to look at is a lot of you are starting to use YouTube channels. And one of the cool features about a YouTube channel is that you can go live with a YouTube channel. So this is Jake and I's e-learning coaches dashboard. This is our YouTube channel that we use. You click on the videos. You can see the list of all the videos and stuff like that. But one of the cool features is that you can actually go live on this. Now, one of the things you need to understand when you go live, you are using your webcam from your laptop, or you can also use a webcam that might be your hover cam or something like that. But one of the things about YouTube Live is that you can stream, and you can see that streaming. The kids can see it live. So one of the things I thought you might want to know about your YouTube channel. So one of the things you'll need to do is to make a live stream, you're going to go up to your camera and you're going to say go live. Now, one of the things that you will see is some of you that have just started your channel, you will need to click that live stream or go live. It might take 24 hours to be able to make it available that you go live. So that's kind of why I'm letting you know now a little earlier, getting this out earlier in the week. So if you want to use YouTube Live, you may. How you going to do it? You simply make a title. So maybe lesson, say number 3. So that's your name. You can release it to the public. You can go private if you want. So unlisted. So whatever you want to do with that. Yes, you want to make sure it's available to kids. You go next. It'll take a picture for you and make that as your thumbnail. So you can see that there. You can also change that thumbnail if you would like. You can, once it's done uploading, you can go ahead and you can custom upload. So maybe you're going to, maybe you just want to use this one. So you have a picture. You don't want your kids to see. You might want to give them, whatever you want to do. There is the sharing component. That's pretty cool. You can copy this. So you just click copy, and you can put it on a Twitter feed. You can put it on your Facebook. All the other ones there. What you can do is put it in your Canvas. If you wanted to say, okay, we're going to go live at this time, make sure that you use this link to get there. And then you can go live, talk to your kids. They can see your face. You can do different types of things with them. You can show a lesson. There'll be a comment side over here that will show comments that the kids can comment, and you can read those. And so there's all kinds of really cool things that this could do. I think with a lot of you starting your channels, it is becoming more and more useful for you, because I know that we have had a lot of teachers start their own channels. So kind of a cool way to take care of things. Also a way to show how things are going on. But you can see there's all kinds of different things that you can add it. So then if you have live stream, it will then also save your live stream to your channel. So hope this helps out. Hope you're doing well. A lot of good conversations are had, and really appreciate the efforts that you teachers are showing. So thank you for all you do.